Techno update. Subscribe now.
The phone ships with all the usual items and some extras, including a nice soft TPU case and the USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, since the phone does not have the headphone jack. For just over $100 you get a premium metal-made phone that looks and feels much more expensive than it is. Although the phone looks nice, the metal edges are really sharp on the display side, even too sharp for my taste. The display is beautiful to look at both indoors and outdoors, but you'll have to live with those bezels, or black bars if you like to call them in that way. Well, at least you get nicely backlit capacitive keys and a multicolor notification LED light. The rest of the features are really impressive too, considering a low price of the phone. You get a powerful camera, a fast and accurate fingerprint scanner, really solid buttons, and an IR blaster. One thing that may bother you is that there is no headset jack, but the sound quality via the supplied adapter is just great. Finally, the loudspeaker is easily one of the best in the sub $100 phone category. On paper, the Leeco L3 is a pretty powerful phone. In reality, the Helio X626 chipset is showing its age if you care about the 3D games. My classic test involves playing Asphalt 8 on different graphics settings. The phone struggles on the highest graphics settings really badly, but you can play this game on medium graphics. Still, there are a few skipped frames here and there, but nothing major. Other games I played work quite well. One of the downsides of this phone may be that it runs Android 6, but I'm sure you can sideload Android 7 in one way or another. Anyway, I found the user interface to be quite enjoyable to use. My favorite features of the UI include the all-in-one quick settings and recent apps menu, which are highly customizable. There are also plenty of settings to adjust the display or change the looks of the phone. Most importantly, I found the phone to be fast on the daily basis, even with a ton of apps installed. The overall image quality is just fantastic for the phone this cheap. Camera captures plenty of detail and pictures look really good considering the fact that most of them were taken on a cloudy day. Obviously, the low-light camera performance is not so good, but still, it is one of the best in this price range. This phone can shoot videos in 4K and the quality is again really good. Same can be said about the selfie video and picture quality, and the sound recording quality is decent. The call quality is quite good on this phone, and so are other connectivity options. There are also 15 sensors including a gyroscope. The battery life could be a little bit better, but I may have too many battery draining apps installed. Under my usage, the phone could get me through the day, but I could only get about 4 hours of screen on time. Your mileage may vary depending on the usage. The supplied fast charger fully charges the phone in about 1 hour and 20 minutes, which is a very good result.